guys, today I'm going to be making Asian sliders with a red cabbage slaw. And in case you didn't know what a slider is, it's a mini burger slash sandwich. All those little mini buns are perfect for this. And these are Asian style, so we're talking soy sauce, ginger, fresh cilantro, and then a red cabbage slaw to go on the top, which is super tasty with red cabbage, carrots, cucumber, wasabi. Amazing recipe done in 15 minutes or less. And remember that if you're looking for tried and true, healthy, delicious, simple recipes, you came to the right place. So share with your friends and remember that all the recipes are down below. So we're gonna start with the burgers themselves. I have 1 pound of grass-fed ground beef. You can use any kind of ground beef. You could use ground chicken or ground turkey. And to that, we're gonna add a tablespoon of soy sauce, which, who doesn't love soy sauce? Salty, delicious. My girls actually pour it into these little cups and drink it. I know, it's gonna get them one day. Okay, next, garlic, 2 cloves. You could grill these or stovetop. I'm gonna be going stovetop. Or you could even bake them if you wish. Okay, some black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon, and a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and I chopped some fresh cilantro, so half is gonna go in the burgers and half I'm gonna save for the slaw. Oh, and last, ginger. So you could use fresh ginger that you actually peel and grate, or this I absolutely love. It's just super convenient. Just squeeze the paste out and it tastes just as good as fresh ginger. I mean, it is fresh ginger in a pack. So anyway, you're gonna go about 2 teaspoons of ginger. Okay, and that's it for the burger part. Piece of cake, right? Piece of cake. All right, so mix, mix, mix. I'm gonna start with a spoon and then just use my hands. Hands are gonna be better. So get your hands in there. If you're serving a crowd, double the recipe. All right, I think those are pretty mixed. And so I'm gonna shape them into mini burgers. Cilantro all over me. Should get about 6 to 8. Oh, yep, 6 to 8. I got 7. It's a little bit bigger, but okay. So I'm gonna wash my hands, get my skillet heated up, and then we're gonna come back and whip up the slaw. So I'm heating a skillet behind me for the burgers, and we'll go ahead and whip up this slaw really quick. So I have a food processor. If you don't, just use a shredder, and make sure if you use this, you're gonna use your shredder attachment, okay? And so, red cabbage, there's the core. I just cut 1 piece off and then I just cut it into strips so it fits into my chopper. And we're gonna go ahead and get that chopped nice. And we're gonna follow that with 2 peeled carrots. And half of a peeled cucumber. Okay, best to just do it all at once. We're talking some healthy stuff right here. Red cabbage is one of the healthiest things you can eat. I mean, just look at the color of it. So, red cabbage, carrots, cucumber. And so to that, we're gonna add brown rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons. And this is used in a lot of Asian food. Okay, and also 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I have 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, a little sweetness. Wasabi paste. Most grocery stores sell this in the Asian section, and you're gonna put a teaspoon. Wasabi paste is like horseradish, and it packs a punch. It can be pretty spicy. And I smell it and it reminds me of sushi, which I love. 3 green onions, sliced thin. The rest of the fresh cilantro. Okay, some more black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon. How good does this look? I just love it. And a teaspoon of salt. And some fresh ginger in here as well. I'm almost out. I'm just gonna squeeze the life out of it. Okay, another teaspoon. Okay, and then some oil, okay? About a tablespoon of olive oil. So mix this beautiful little slaw salad. Oh man, my mouth is watering. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit while we cook the burgers. All right, burgers are done. So I cooked them about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. You know, once they're browning, you want to flip them over. And so I have the buns ready. These are mini buns, but I mean, the burgers really did shrink. So you might, if you're using a pound of meat, maybe make them just a pinch bigger than I did and go for 6 instead of 7. So go ahead and put the burger in there. And they do get pretty greasy, so I drained them on paper towels. All right, and you want to put a generous serving of this slaw on top because that's where all the flavor is, all right? So I'm just gonna set that aside. So there it is. 15-minute delicious gourmet dinner. Who doesn't love burgers? Who doesn't love Asian? Oh man, yummy. I would love to take a bite, but I definitely have to get some pictures of this first. So do go out and make these. You're gonna love them. Share with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on social media and click the like button if you liked this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Go out and have yourself an awesome day. Thanks for watching.